Hey everybody, so folks ask, stop now, stop. How many Airedales did Ben own? How many dogs you got? Okay, well puppies already let out, so these are my adult Airedales. And Duke, you better get my hand out of your mouth. What? We're getting ready to get these dogs out the door. So I got 7. But I only own 4 because Jesse, I don't own, and Mommy Curly, yeah, I don't. I want to give you to somebody. If I could just find a good home for you, I would. And then that dog right there. That's green. Yeah, my dog. Duke, you better get my hand out of your mouth. That's a no. Yeah, that dog right there. So, yep. So, get off of me, you beast. Let him out, man. Let him out. Okay, well, y'all have to respect me. I don't mean to raise my voice. I shouldn't. Go on, dude. Go on, you beast. Go on, dude. You want to go out? I don't want to go out there. It's raining. Oh, yeah? You better go out, you beast. I don't want to. I want to go in. It's raining out here. I don't like the rain. Oh, yeah. Hold on a second. Go on, dude. Go on now. Oh, yeah? I want the water. Yeah. Hi, Miss Green. I see you. Hi, little girl. Hi, Jazzy. I see you. That lady, get some water. Yeah. Jesse, getting some water, Jesse. That's my dog. Boop. Leave me alone, Mr. Green. Leave me alone. All right, so anyhow, I just thought I want to show. It's a dreary day here, but yep, we're going back in the house soon because it's dreary. I'll talk to you guys next time.